Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NNDM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the pullback on this one continues, and certainly some updates here need to be made. First update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So for those of you that have watched the past videos, hopefully remember me talking about that 1550 mark as that area of support. But again, now that the price is broken down below there, you can see that it's really been struggling to get back up above it. So moving forward in the near term, if the price does continue to go sideways and then eventually work its way back upwards, that's where the big question mark resides. Not necessarily can the price get back up to 1550, but can the price actually break above it and stay above it? So definitely keep a close eye on that from the near-term resistance area. Now, if the price can push up through those levels, next key battleground at that point would be up around $16.75. But before we put too much focus on $16.75, again, the price first needs to break above that $15.50 mark. As far as levels of support are concerned now moving forward, near-term area of support, right now going to be right there at the $14 mark. And just in case the price does go down to that area and breaks down below it, next key level of support after that would then be that former breakout point down there right around 13.15. So keep your eye on these levels. Again, resistance areas up there at the 15.50 mark, and then the 16.75-ish mark. And then if the price decides it's going to pull back here, that first key question mark is all about, well, can the price at least maintain above 14? If it doesn't, then 13.15 would be that next level to watch. But overall, let me squeeze down the chart here. From the big picture point of view, the trend is still plenty up. So just because the price is pulling back here, that doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. The context is still plenty bullish. But yeah, as far as more of these near-term technical levels, keep your eye on these price points, and we'll see what happens with it on Thursday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.